Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Blooket. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in blooket.com and press enter. Now if you are logged into your account already, if you click on the login button from the home page, then you will directly be taken to your dashboard. So in order to log out from your account, all you need to do is hover over to your username at the top right corner and you will find the logout button. Just click on this and you will be logged out from your account on Blooket. In order to log back in, you will simply need to enter your email address and your password. Or you can log in with your Google account by clicking on Login with Google. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Blooket. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.